Okay, guys, I am recording right now. I hope I am. Yes, I am. So good. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the business card and the letterhead. So first of all, we have my desktop here, my keyboard. I don't know if you can see that. So first of all, I'm going to take my publishing logo company that I designed last week. I told you, remember we said do it, borrow from the internet, do it quick, do it short and quick, and cut and paste, tweak it, make it your own, and we'll talk about copyright much later on, but let's start off with the letterhead of the company. So I'm going to open this up right now. I'm going to go into Paint, and you do have it in your Chromebooks. You have Paint too. So I'm going to, let's see, open it up. I'm going to go into Paint. You sometimes have Paint 3D if you're working out of your home computer, if you have Microsoft up to date. So I am taking my publisher's company here, logo, which I did tweak a little bit. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, not my monogram. This is just the company logo. And this is what I'm going to do. I am going to go into my Word document. And I'm going to, where I mentioned, go into Insert. If you guys can see that, I am going to go into Insert right here. Insert. And if you guys can see that, I went into Insert, and now I'm going to go to Header and Footer. Although I would like to do both of them, I'm going to start off with Header to play it safe. Now that I'm here, I really don't need that, so I'm just going to delete it. And then I am going to come back here to Home, Paste. There we go. It's way too large. Do you see that? So I'm going to shrink it down to size. Let's shrink it down more to size. More to size. And here's another cool thing you can do. You can actually move it. See that? If you like put in an angle, you can do that too. But let's not do that. Let's just go back. Keep it simple. Now some corporations or businesses like to put it in the center. You can do that too. That's acceptable. But whoops. So let's just move it back here. And I'm going to push it a little bit more to this corner. See that? So I move the keys here. Okay, so here's my company's name, my publishing company here. I don't want to put it in the center because for me it looks too arrogant, but it's okay if you want to put it in the center. Most businesses, if you want to center it, let's go back to it. Wait, okay, there we go. You can keep it in the center if you want to. That actually works much better. You can also come up here, and you can have text go over it. Okay, which maybe we shouldn't. So we're not done with this guy yet. So I'm going to leave that close. Then come back here. Let's come back again. I am going to put my logo at the bottom. Actually, yeah, that'll work. So let's come up here. So if I start typing this, come back to Home, Insert. Now we're going to go, let me put this down and close this, so I don't need it. I'm going to go for my monogram. I'm going to open it up again, right here. Since I have it saved in Paint, I digitized it. There we go, Paint. You can do 3D. Here are all my notes, step by step how to do the monogram. So if you did a monogram company logo, the problem I have with this is way too large, and I did not clean it up. So you should never turn in something like this. This is not finished. It's just way too dirty. Poor craftsman, it looks what we call poor craftsmanship. It's not fully done. It's it's still in the process area. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to grab the eraser, erase a little bit of this stuff. Okay, you guys should do that. But this is a really bad sample. It's not clean, okay? But let's do this for quick sakes. So I'm going to steal this right now. My not fully done monogram. Copy. Come back to the document. Says I want to put it right here. Let's see if we can come back, Insert. We're going to go to Footer. Let's go with this one. And right here, let's delete this and come back to Home. See where my key's going, guys? Paste. Way too big. So we got to shrink this guy down to size. Close to an inch. See that? Let's bring it down here. And you can type down here at the bottom your name of your company. So National Fruits gummy worms, you can call it that, whatever. So national, whatever your company is, national. Whoops. Whoops. Misspelled that.